What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. But before anything else, please follow our Facebook page, the Six Man Podcast Bench Mob, for all your basketball needs talk. 1.3K
Bro, it's
members na
kind
tayo.
of
Parang ang
petty.
bilis. Bumilis yung... what?
Bro, it's kind of petty, but it's not a page. It's a group, okay?
Facebook page, Facebook group, it's still the same. There's only one Bench Mob.
It's
You
not.
see Nico's face. He was like,
First of all,
what
it's
the
not
hell?
follow, it's join, okay?
Oh my
Follow,
God.
join.
Oh my God.
Basta mag-join kayo. Basta hindi kayo toxic. Pwede kayo sa grupo namin.
Kahit
Actually,
toxic kayo, men.
Kahit
Pinapasok
toxic
naman.
man, kahit toxic.
Kahit toxic.
public siya eh. Public siya eh. Pero sabi naman natin sa kina-moderators natin, guys, basta pag toxic na, i-ban nyo na. Pero pag,
Lahat na lang ng pwedeng pag-usapan dun. No? Lalagay nun.
Just no politics, man. No politics. That's the only
Sadly,
thing.
Someone tried. Someone tried.
May nag-reject
really
yan.
didn't see it.
Yeah.
Someone tried. Someone tried. You know.
the reason you guys click on this video is because it's the quarterfinals day one recap. No, I'm sorry now we are, well, it's just one day late. I mean, you still are going to watch this after this one. So thank you so much. And guys, I have to share my screen. But discuss na natin to ngayon. No? Let's first discuss game one between TNT and NLEX. 96-93 in favor of Tropang 5G. I didn't think that Sean Kitevis would get some minutes in the playoffs,
Bro.
Mario. Nagulat ako doon. Sabi ko, wow, talaga. But nagets ko bakit siya pinasok ni Coach Chot. And Coach Chot likes those kinds of players na
Yeah.
all heart, all hustle. The complete antithesis of Bol na walang defense at all.
He's
Kala
young.
ko,
He's young Glenn Cobuntin, bro.
But so 3
Bro,
inches shorter,
kala
young
ko,
Glenn
ano?
Cobuntin.
Yeah.
They're both Cebuano pa.
Yeah, dude.
Ah.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I watched the game starting no second half. I think, and I watched the first half, finished it. Tapos I wasn't able to catch yung start ng third. I was busy. Tapos I think it was the bandang end of third, start of fourth. There was this guy jogging on the screen, and I was like, "Who is that?" I was like, "I've been watching PBA for a while. Who is that dude?" It was Sean.
Sean Kit, number 30. Number 30. Kasi 24 siya sa Ateneo, di ba?
Yes, bro.
24 siya sa Ateneo eh.
Bro, baka tinatago siyang barahan ni Coach Chot this whole time.
Ilalaro na eh.
Huh? No, but I mean
Ilalaro
like,
niya na eh.
no, but I
12
mean
minutes, oh.
before the playoffs, he didn't play, diba? Except for that game before the season.
Yeah.
So baka this whole time, Sean was training with TNT. He was only
He-
gonna be deployed in the playoffs.
He was
And they
training
were
with TNT nga. Since the summer pa. He's been training with them. Ever since he got
yeah.
drafted pa. Tama.
Yeah, and then siguro sabi nila, okay, we won't play you in the regular season. Playoffs.
Gulatin na lang.
He's a playoff guy, dude. He's Chris
Playoff
Ross.
guy nga.
He's Chris Ross.
He's Chris Ross.
He's Chris Ross. Man, but shout out to Sean, brother. I think
Yeah, solid.
I don't think TNT wins this game without you. But I will say this. PBA fans, PBA committee and everything, you all should thank God that TNT didn't win this game. Because that was a
Pero yung TNT
And
won-
Lex.
won this
that
game.
NLEX didn't win this game.
Yeah.
sorry. That NLEX didn't win this game. Because that was the most obvious foul call yung kay Jason. That,
Hindi
Brother-
tinawag eh. Pero sabi ko, oh.
brother, come on.
Yeah.
That was a foul. And I'm not a big fan. People know my qualms with Jason Castro and the way he complains. I don't like it, right? But dude, that was the most obvious. Hey, bro, what are we doing? That's a
Natulak
foul.
siya eh. No?
Yeah, dude, he was getting slapped on the arms. Tinutulak siya.
Dalawa-dalawa yun. Si JB Bahio ata yung gumagamit sa kanya. Eh, no?
Literally no reason for that to not be called a foul. Like, and literally zero reason for it not to be called a foul. Kaya ako nabigla na hindi siya tinawagan at that time. And it did end up benefiting NLEX during that moment. They were able to get possession, but missed the shots, right? They missed the shots that they're supposed to make. Shani, the only bad shot I will say was the one of LJ Gonzalez. Yun lang yung pangit na tira.
Yung 4-pointer ba yan?
Yeah, that's the only
Yeah.
and yung kay Caddy, actually. Yung kay
Yung,
Shani,
yung attempted game winner sa left corner ba yun? Which one to?
yung to
Yung,
tie the game,
yung
to
last,
tie the
yung
game.
pinakahuli.
Yeah, the
Yung
last
sa
one. The last
ibabaw
one,
ng
yeah.
backboard.
Yeah.
Pero against Bol yun eh.
Bro, bad
Wala.
shot yun kasi
Na Paul George.
First catch niya pala ng bola, pwede na niya itira yun eh. If he shot it first catch ng bola, mas may chance yun. But he waited for Bowl to get
Yeah.
nearer. And so talagang mas mahihirapan yung tira mo niyan, man. Why are you surprised if that's what happens, di ba? But yeah, no, this is a good series. I did say TNT in two. NLEX in two. Graham said TNT in two. I think Nico's the one who said NLEX in one.
No,
So,
no. I said TNT in 2.
TNT in two
No,
ka
he
ba?
did not.
Ano ba?
No, he did
NLEX in 1 ako or TNT in 2?
Yeah, he said NLEX in
I think you
one.
went NLEX
If
in
there's
one. I went NLEX in two.
yeah,
Then Graham
Okay. Si
went
Graham yung
TNT.
TNT. Si Graham yung TNT.
Yeah.
Okay. That makes sense. Yeah, okay.
Makes sense, right?
which
Yeah.
I'm gonna back
Ano ba
out
ba?
of and say
Patay!
NLEX wins on Saturday.
What? You're gonna back out of it? That's a pretty good pick, man.
You're a good pick nga
No,
ngayon.
it's
Ikaw lang
not.
yung parang tama ka eh.
Yeah, that's the
No, it's
good
not.
pick. Really?
No, it's
Parang
not.
hindi niya ma-accept
Oh,
sa
it's not
system
a
niya
good
na
pick.
pinili niya TNT.
No, I just saw enough na by the way, no Kevin Ferrer love in the playoffs, Coach Chot. I mean, he played a lot of minutes
Kitebis muna,
Sunday. All
bro.
of a sudden,
Kitebis muna
he's
before
not
ano.
playing. I know, pero Kevin Ferrer, who played, I don't know how many minutes more than Calvin Oftana, and then all of a sudden, DNP.
Kailangan
But,
daw ipahinga yung alas.
yeah,
Bro,
you're
come
right.
on. We all know. We all know what happened.
Yeah, I
Speaking
know,
of
I know.
alas, Kevin
Just
Alas,
listen.
hindi rin naglaro. Pero mamaya na. TNT muna.
Yeah, there are by the way, no, I want to go with NLEX first. The reason I'm picking
Oh.
NLEX to win game 2, look at the fouls. Their two best local players.
27,
Bolick with
yeah.
6, Bahio with
This is a
5.
stupid foul, no? Did you see this last one, Mario? It was a take
That
foul,
wasn't the
diba?
foul. That
Yeah.
wasn't the foul.
Did you take?
Yeah, that
kasi
wasn't a
para-
foul.
Oh.
And gumraduate siya with 5 minutes remaining. We know
5 minutes
Tagal
who
lang
the
yun.
best.
Tagal nun. Oh, matagal pa yun, Mario.
I think nasa
Tagal pa
around
nun.
5 minutes ganun. 4 or
Yeah.
5
No,
minutes remaining.
That
And
was not a foul. I don't think it was a foul, personally.
yeah, that's right. And we know who's the best closer in the PBA as of the moment is, di ba?
Bolick.
I mean, local-wise, because imports, it's Justin Brownlee. Pero locals, it is Robert Bolick.
Yeah.
This team knows how to win in the clutch, and wala siya dun, and they became discombobulated. They want to go dun sa play in the fourth quarter. Nakuha ni Shani yung switch. Lane was guarded by, I don't know, Kitevis ata. By the way, Sean Kitevis really getting
Yun yung
a lot of
switch, diba?
minutes
Yun ba
on-
yung ano? Parang
Yeah,
yung
nakuha
spick.
switch.
Nag-switch sila eh.
Fade away,
Napunta si Kitevis kay
fade away
yeah.
to the baseline. Another swing, merong open si Cyrus Torres. And
Yeah.
there's another guy. Cyrus Torres, by the way, played really, really well.
And 23 minutes.
Kahapon.
Yeah.
Pinag-uusapan natin, di ba, nung preview, Cyrus
Didn't
Torres
have
hindi
a
na
lot of
nakakakuha
minutes.
ng minutes.
Regular season. yeah.
Right? Pero he played well. That's my thing. I don't think Robert Bolick is gonna get into foul trouble again on Saturday. Same with JB Bahio. If they still play poor, then the intro boys tagging will be between them and Rain or Shine, really.
Wow.
Pending Rain or Shine loss to tomorrow, which I think I'm backing off as well. I think I'm picking Rain or Shine. I don't know what's with this.
Back off everything, man. But,
Yeah. Pero man, NLEX did not play good and they almost beat TNT. Di ba? They trailed 10-9 the fourth quarter.
Yeah.
And you can
Hinabol.
argue that TNT played TNT basketball. Pero still, NLEX was there. A proof na they're very capable of beating TNT. It was, I mean, the scoring was spread across the entire team, di ba? Imagine a Bolick 25-point game in game 2. All I'm saying.
yeah, I get
I'm
where you're
saying
coming
it's not very far. So I'm backing off my pick. I'm now with Mario. I'm gonna go NLEX. And it's on Saturday. Let's go.
I feel like I'm
Can we-
just.
Let's go. You wanna switch?
Are we allowed to change? Sige, TNT and 2 ako.
Oh, he.
Alright.
So that Nico's the okay.
I'm switching to TNT and 2.
Is your name still Legoat Lover? Like you haven't
Yeah,
changed
it's a Lego lover. I cannot change that
Oh,
anymore.
we
I'll-
haven't changed.
no,
You can change it. Graham
no.
can change it.
Make it stay. Okay na yan.
Tinatakpan mo rin naman yun. Tinatakpan
Hindi
mo
ko
rin naman
natatakpan
But-
yan. Pag ano lang yun, pag walang
Oh my.
ganito, pag walang share screen.
Yeah, di ba ko na share screen lang
Oh,
yun.
Di na ako
oh my
nag-effort
God.
takpan
Okay.
yan. Pag ganyan.
Nico, can you scroll up a little sa
Akala ko,
TNT
can you
side?
change my
Because-
name? No, bro, I'm not gonna change your name.
No, I'll
Bro.
change my name.
Man,
Oh.
reality, by the way, Jordan Heading had 0 points. That's why I'm
Oh,
kind of...
ano?
Bro, 0 points.
And one
for Heading.
attempt.
Yeah, brother. Jason has overlapped Jordan for some... I get why. Jason is more is a calmer guy. He
Yeah,
gets the
yeah.
offense of TNT of Coach Shotmore. But 0 points for heading is kind of insane. But they still won the game. That's why I kind of have a hard time. I get why you jumped, and I'm not gonna back off my pick because I ain't no word. But
Yeah, kids are watching, my
yeah,
guy. Kids
kids
are
are
watching.
watching, man. But man, I don't. Uh, I will stay on NLEX in 2,
Okay.
pero nahihirapan ako to believe in it kasi dude, heading had 0, terrible game from Nambatak.
Tapos panalo pa rin sila.
BGR had BGR was terrible. Then Bowl was being Bowl. What can you do? Uh, Caddy has to be better, I would say. I think Caddy Lane has to be much better for NLEX. But I think it's gonna be a good game. Probably the same thing will happen down to the wire. Um, if you make a shot, you make a shot type thing.
The Cadila Lane missed layup in the fourth quarter.
Yeah. That was what I said na
That
someone
was
got the call ah. Wide open yun, diba? Euro yun.
huge
That was a Euro.
momentum swing. Yeah,
You did say that.
huge momentum
Those
swing.
are the shots we miss.
Yeah,
Not
yeah,
pro
we
players.
miss. Yeah,
Hey,
that's
I don't know
right.
what-
That's
I
right.
don't-
I mean,
what
Joshua
y'all- what
Monzon
y'all
missed
talking
missed
about?
that
We-
layup.
What y'all talking about? I don't miss that. What do you mean? What y'all talking about?
Even
You missed
even
that.
I don't think
I
I
never missed that
missing that.
shot.
By the way, we this is the same way TNT beat Magnolia a couple of conferences ago, diba?
Yung
Twice to
muntikan
beat,
na ano.
and then
Twice. Oh,
yeah, the Rafi Rivas in the clutch.
Wala namang ganun
blunders.
NLEX eh.
Uy,
Yeah, I know.
Wala namang may Rafi Rivas
Ah.
moment nung ibang klase yun.
Yeah, I know I know, pero this is the same now ito na nga eh, 'di ba? TNT dragged them into a do or die.
Yeah.
Unpopular pick, pero I have a feeling na Berto what's a bigger chance of happening? Berto not being in foul trouble or heading scoring 15 points? I think Berto not being in foul trouble is the bigger chance of happening. So I don't know, probably it's just me looking for a change. Or it's probably just me being afraid of TNT. Pero
yo, I
I do
will
see
say
NLEX
this.
winning game.
I will say this. Walang bigayan sa series na to.
Wala nga.
This doesn't look like may nagbigayan. Kasi, bro,
Yeah, it's a good game.
you can't, if NLEX didn't care about this, you can tell. But Bolik was mad. You know what I mean? Bolik was mad. They really tried on defense. I don't think bigay ito. Nagkataon lang na TNT won. But I will still say NLEX in 2.
Yeah. Yung bigayan man, yung mga San Miguel Ginebra, yung mga game 2, game 4, mga
Mhm.
biglang 28-point game, yung mga bigayan.
Naamoy mo
Ito,
na eh, no?
wala
Yung
pa.
parang, ay.
Sa Inares.
Oo, parang,
Sa Inares,
Oo,
doon sa...
diba, pa-
Hindi, minsan may MOA sila na may bigayan sila sa MOA.
uy, inanood tayo sa Ninoy, di ba?
Ah.
Ay, Ninoy pala.
Andreas kahilig torching us. But it was a good game, and I really hope na walang makialam in game 2. Let
Let them
the teams play. Let them play, di ba? Kasi on the other side,
I'm surprised Kevin Alas di pinapalaro no with Bolik with 6 fouls.
Hindi
You
ba
need a
siya
shot
injured?
creator.
alam ko, bro, hindi ba injured si Kevin Alas with
Is
a
he?
thumb injury or something?
Yeah.
I think injured si Kevin Alas.
Brother, we
I
haven't
don't
seen
work
Kevin
there
in a
anymore.
It's been a minute since we've seen Kevin Alas, brother.
Yeah, wanted dislocated left ring finger. Oh my God.
Uwe? Saan mo nakita yan?
Nila ni Selena Dagdag.
Eh,
It was, actually, you know what? It was April 20.
Oh, yeah, April
nag-surgery siya,
24.
man. Yan, he had a
During
surgery.
practice pa.
Yeah. It is what it is. I'll say this. If Kevin Alas was there yesterday, sa kanya ko bibigay yung bola, man. I'm a big fan of Kevin Alas.
Yeah, the drunken master.
Super. Right? Diba?
Actually, here's
So,
yung nickname nga niya, the Drunken Master nga talaga.
That's the one
I mean, there's a
nickname which I
reason na-
don't hate because he does move a little weird. So
Yeah.
I don't hate it.
Catches you off guard. Matagal na college pa lang daw, ganyan na yan.
Pero yung kay
Oo,
Bates
man.
na the master lang. Yun
Eh, yung the Master.
oh, yun talaga.
Diyan tayo magtatalo.
The
The
Master.
Yeah, that's not.
Eh,
By
alam
the way,
mo,
the
hindi-
reason I'm wearing the Converge shirt. I'm gonna wash my car tomorrow. So, official car wash gear.
Wait lang.
Of
I don't
the
get- I
Six-Man
don't get
Podcast.
why- I don't get why you had to say that. Brandon Bates.
Just,
There was nothing about Converge.
Diba?
Nobody
He just
was
had to
talking
mention. He just had to mention na may car wash siya bukas. Yabang mo ah, porque
Nilabas
may kotse ka.
Viber ko na Hindi, lumabas kasi sa Viber ko na it's due payment. So, yung Converge bill. That's the only reason I brought it up.
Show the game
Yeah.
too, brother.
Yeah, game 2, I think NLEX wins in a close fashion.
Where are we at,
Actually,
Mario? You're at NLEX 2 ba? Or just call it?
NLEX din siya.
NLEX
I
in 2.
jumped side.
Ako TNT.
And jump side.
Go ahead, next one.
Yeah. Next one. Oh, wala.
It's
Oh,
gone!
low-key,
It was-
yung double header kahapon, ganda.
Maganda
And
sa
ang daming tao rin sa Ninoy. Ang daming tao sa Ninoy, which is great.
Ito yung sasabihin ko, brother. This has been happening for a while sa TNT. Before regular season or playoffs. You don't need a 4. Okay? And all PBA teams, this is the thing, Meralco, this is why I'm talking about because of Meralco. Meralco, you don't need a 4. There's no need to shoot the 4 when you're down, whatever. There's no need to shoot the 4. I get that it's a big shot, but dude, drive, take a 3. A 4 is crazy sometimes. You don't need it. But
Ayaw na rin naman ni Coach yun eh. Ni na Coach Nena. They're not in favor of the 4.
yeah,
They don't
but
like it.
Yeah. But this game naman, Jerome Lastimosa, I think really good game from Jerome Lastimosa. Can you scroll up, brother?
Yeah. Magnolia muna tayo. Let's talk about the winning team. Magnolia winning 95-89.
You know who had a good game yesterday, and Graham's gonna hate this.
The
Quality.
White Nuni Omot? Akala ko si The White
Hey,
Nuni Omot.
no. I love it, man. I love it. But go ahead.
He
You
had a
love
good
what?
game. He had a good game.
Polly? Yeah. Player of the game ba si
Paulie had a
Polly?
very good
I don't remember
game.
who the
Si
player of the
Sangga
game
lang.
was. Si Ian.
Si
Yeah.
Sangga lang ang player of the game. Which is weird because they should have chosen Lastimosa. They should have chosen Paul Lee. But, Sangga lang.
I think it was the run
Ah.
ni Ian nung second quarter. Kaya siya naging player of the game.
Bro, that's crazy kasi nahabol yung lamang na yun.
But okay,
Imagine
think about it like if he didn't do that run in the second quarter, they would have lost.
I know, pero if the best player of the game is someone you chose from the second quarter, then you're doing it wrong. Should
Yeah.
be Lastimosa.
Hindi, may utang kay Ian. Hindi, you gotta pick Ian.
Uy, man.
Siguro may magandang laro si Ian na hindi napili. So,
Babawi. Tumura, may
Baka
utang
mali
tayo
yung
dito.
na-flash nilang baka mali yung na-flash ng graphic.
So parang kailangan mo na panindigan kasi lumabas na sa graphic. Yung Ian
Baka
na lang.
nagja-gyms na si Jerome, no? Parang si Ian na lang.
Si Ian na lang, yun na lang.
Di pa
Si Kuya Ian na lang.
Si Jerome.
Tatay si Jerome.
Hindi pa pwede
Kuya
mag-coach
Ian na
kanina. Trip. But yeah,
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, what's happening?
Xavier bad game,
Yeah.
but they still win. Right? The import really fits. Yun talaga.
The
They
White
import-
Nuni Omot?
Yeah, the white
Nuni
Nuni
Omot.
Omot. The white Nuni Omot.
Hindi ko pa rin naiintindihan kung bakit hindi nag-fit si Noni Omot. Sino lang talaga eh.
They have the same skill set, no?
No, one's taller.
Yeah, he's 3 inches taller nga pala. 6'10 rin pa si Clint Chapman. Iba pa rin yung 6'10,
now I
Graham. Iba
understand.
pa rin.
Right. I've naka-move on na ako, man. I've now moved on. I don't think I'm gonna mention Noni Omot in the pod anymore.
I'm
Now I
gonna
know.
mention him.
Yeah,
When he
yeah,
comes
right.
back, dude, when Brownlee retires, I know a guy.
Sabihin natin si Arlov. Nasabihan si Coach Tim.
I have Coach Tim, Coach Johnny A, RSA, guys.
Coach Chard.
Coach Chard, when Justin Brownlee retires, I have the guy for you.
It ain't George King. It ain't George King.
It ain't George King. It ain't Benny Boatwright. I got a guy for you. 4-letter first name, 4-letter last name.
Yeah.
Didn't win a game with Magnolia, but he will get you
Lucky.
his win. You will get him his win in the PBA.
He will get him his win. But anyway, dude, Jerome played well. Yun lang yun.
Yep.
Medyo barometer na talaga si Jerome for them. Jerome Lastimosa plays well. Good chance Magnolia wins this game. And it helps na yung bench na nag-contribute. There's a guy over there who's 3 for 3.
Yep. I'm waiting.
Yeah, I was
for
gonna
you.
mention
I'm
that.
waiting for you.
Is Javi just 10 minutes worthy for me? Parang pa 20 mo naman yung bata natin.
I mean, look at the plus minus. If he played the whole game.
Oh, sige,
lost by-
paki-compute. Minus
by
28.
Plus minus.
Min-
Pag
minus 7. He played 10 minutes, right?
so minus
it's
21.
around 30. They would have lost by 30.
Just following the trends.
One
Just
Javi.
following the
28.
trends.
Yeah, 30. Around 30. Bro,
30,
at the
right?
same time naman, Rome De La Rosa has still proved to be serviceable kasi. So, I think until Rome doesn't look like he's a serviceable guy, hindi yan magbabago.
Mas
That, that,
maganda
that,
defense ata ni Rome, di ba?
ay,
Than
oo, bro.
Oo
Havi.
naman.
Iba yung
Wala.
defense si Rome. Two-way si Rome eh. 3-and-D talaga si Rome eh.
Si Rome talaga yung one of the perennial 3-and-D
Oo.
sa PBA. When Rome starts not playing well, then natin that's when we'll see more minutes for Javi. But until that moment, it'll really be Rome De La Rosa kind of leading the charge. One of the funniest posts I saw was buti nakalaro pa si Rome.
Okay.
20.
Alright, I don't wanna go there.
I'm just saying, that's one of the funniest.
Bakit? Ano context?
What do you mean? Look at
Rome?
his last name.
What the-
Come on, Nico.
What about De La Rosa?
Oh, come on,
What do you
Nico.
mean? What about De La Rosa? You literally said the last
Nico,
name.
come on, brother.
Let's not go there.
Nico, please. Come on, bro.
Ay, nakikita niyo ba tong chat? Ay, di ako sure kung nakikita niyo ba yung chat screen? Hindi.
Then.
No.
Hindi. Pag nilabas ko. Nga pala.
No. Please not. Please
Come
not.
on, man.
Sorry.
Man, it's weird. It's weird that I'm rooting for Magnolia and nakakaluwag pala sa dibdib na walang hate na dumadaloy sa puso at dugo mo. But, it's a new feeling. It's an acquired taste na, hey, maybe they're a decent team. And
Wow.
this is why, if you're Meralco, you did not play with the basketball gods. You wanted Magnolia, you got Magnolia. And Magnolia's gonna serve you not once, not twice, but thrice, brother.
Oh
Because
my, look at
you're
this.
only gonna go home on Saturday.
Minus
You're gonna
13,
go on
minus
Saturday.
15. Itong
Right.
4. Wow. And
Bro,
they
si
only lost by
Jones. Si Jones.
minus
Sama ang laro ni, bro.
3 for 15.
Sama ang laro ni Marvin Jones kapon. But I wanna go to Magnolia, man.
That's bad Nuni Omot.
Bad Nuni.
Yeah.
Bad Nuni.
That's week 1 to week 3, Nunio.
No, Marvin Jones is bad Cadila Lane. They kind of play the same.
Hey, but nobody cares about Cadila.
Actually, nobody cares about Cadila Lane.
Yeah. Wow. Really? Okay. But man, in big games, I just trust Magnolia's players than Meralco. I know
Babawi ka
si
sa
Paulie-
Facebook page nila.
Oh, bro.
Pinupuri ng kalbo na to.
This guy, man.
No, just against Meralco, against the rest of the teams, no. Probably
Hey,
against
Graham.
Phoenix.
Graham. I
yeah.
thought you said you don't want to do politics. Why you doing so much politics right now, man?
Political butterfly ka, ha?
Why you doing so much right now, man?
Nah, bro. This is not politics, man. Talagang, we know Paul is this league's version of James Harden, right? Great in the regular season, shrinks in the playoffs.
Oh, okay.
Um,
Oh, wow, okay.
Right?
Bumawi.
I mean,
Buti in-explain mo yun, brother.
Buti in-explain mo nga kasi parang,
I can say that. No, what else? What else can Paul? First of all, Paul Lee doesn't have a beard. James Harden has a beard. I mean, there's no other resemblance other than their game. Baroka was solid yesterday, as always, diba? Current Iron Man of the PBA. I hope he doesn't break LA Tenorio's record, but if he does, then I'm not gonna be happy. They won a game with Xavier Losores scoring 9 points.
yeah.
That's why.
Although although he had 5 fouls, got into a bit of foul trouble. But man, there's a guy na talagang they just trust, Clint Chapman, na wala akong paki si Coach LA. Wala akong paki kung di ka kumat against Ginebra. That's why we lost. Wala akong paki kung if you're 8 of 16 in this game. Diba? You take the shots that you have to take. We give you the ball sa poste, sa labas. It doesn't matter. Take us home or take us home. However you want to take it. Saturday.
Take us home or bring us home.
Brother, when Meralco made the comeback, I think it was Chapman who kind of
Who hit a 3 and hit an end 1.
Yeah.
That's
Pamatay
right.
sunog si Chapman, yeah.
Exactly.
And I understand. I both understand and do not understand people comparing Jerome to RJ. This is one of the occasions na I understand na he really has it in his game.
Do you have similar play style, Graham? Similar naman play style
Yeah,
nila.
same height, 'di ba? Pero
Mas
mas
may
malayo
build
lang
si
talaga si
RJ.
RJ ngayon.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
sabi
I mean
sa-
RJ gets more license. RJ
Yeah,
gets
of
more
course.
license than
Every
Jerome.
group natin na RJ Barrientos and LJ Gonzalez, di ba?
Alfred!
Brother, do not. You do not know ball. Pero, bro, I hope they market
You do not
this
know ball is
down.
crazy.
Alam na ni Alfred,
Alfred,
mga,
yeah.
mga ano, love na natin yan.
Alam
Paglambing natin kay
Yeah.
Alfred yan.
Bro, I hope they market si ito talagang Lastimosa and Abarientos, but which by the way could meet in the finals. But I hope they market Abarientos Lastimosa that rivalry. Pero man, Jerome was solid yesterday, but hit your free throws in the clutch, man. You missed two, you got your own miss, but
5 of 10 si
So,
Jerome.
grabe
What the heck?
pagkakamali yun, man. Like, for Magnolia, for Meralco, why are you not...
and what's bro, and what's
Ang liit
crazy?
ni Jerome, bro!
Yeah, man, and what's crazy nung nakuha yun ni Jerome, I think there was an 8-second difference between the clocks. They did not have to foul. Pero kasi yung instinct mo nung foul na
Wala
agad.
pang foul ka na
Kasi there
nun.
was only 22 seconds left. Parang hindi mo agad maiisip. And of all people, si Jerome pa yung makaka-rebound, di ba? Which is one of his 3 rebounds. That's crazy. Pero I just feel like Magnolia is speaking at the right time. I told you this. I know Meralco tapped that last game in MOA. And this is what you get. This is the price. Kala nyo kayang-kaya nyo yung Magnolia. I mean, when I side with Magnolia, you know that there's something
The world is
fishy.
ending.
Yeah.
If the world was ending...
Right?
Oh,
By the way, Yuki and Andrada, if Rome De La Rosa is not playing well, Yuki and Andrada should be after Javi Gomez de Leon.
Yeah.
Sad he is only
That's
seeing
what's
2.5
happening. He
minutes.
really is after having Gomez Deliano. Wala
I
namang
wanna
mali ah.
insert-
Tama naman.
I wanna insert Rafi Verano somewhere there.
I don't know.
Bro, Rafi just needs the
Yeah.
proper team if you ask me. Put him on
Send
Ginebra.
him to Titan.
Mas may opportunity
Send
na
him to
kasi dito
Titan.
sa Magnolia compared sa Phoenix eh.
Does this count as mas may opportunity, brother? He does.
Hindi nga siya masyado ginagamit. Yun na nga eh, parang mas nagagamit pa nga siya sa lagay na to. No, regular
Man,
season
what
nagagamit
does
naman si Rafi na onte.
Bro, what does Magnolia need? A defender on the wing? Coach Tim, make the call. Sunny is still for Yuki and Andrada.
What do you mean defender in the wing? They have Rome.
I know,
They already
but what
have
if
Rome.
Rome's not playing well?
Nandiyan,
Sunny still
Rafi can
can be that
defend.
guy.
Si Rafi naman yung shot niya kasi yung hindi
Yeah.
naman consistent.
If Rome De La Rosa is 3MD, what's Sunny?
0 and blank.
It's he's MPBL. That's what he is.
He's end.
Siya yung end. Siya yung hyphen.
Bro, Sunny, brother, please. Graham is rooting for you with all his life, man.
Yeah.
Graham is
Yeah.
literally taking every bullet possible for you, man. You
I'm
gotta help
banking
him out.
on that.
Yeah, yung defender
PBA Dave
defender
Watt.
ni ano yan, ni Sonny Steele, Graham Esbem.
Brother. Legit, but yeah.
But
Going to
I'd like
Meralco.
to see you go, though. I'd like to see you go.
Go
For
where?
you can.
Go
For you can.
for you. Trinade.
Bro, in what world do you think anybody says yes to that trade?
Pag sinabihan ni RCC, LA, tanggapin mo na. Sige na nga, boss.
Yeah. That's it.
This is the only way. And si
There's no
RC hindi
world.
nakikialam. He just lets them, kayo na bahala dyan, ha?
Like, oy, may sinabi lang ako LA kung gusto mo gawin, gusto mo gawin.
Actually, man. Actually, feeling ko mas papaypay Magnolia if Jan Abis for Yuki and Andrada.
Oy, hindi pa pakawalan ni Coach Tim si John Abis. There's like an article about
I
how
know.
Coach Tim
I know, pero
loved
it
John
Tim
makes,
likes
Abis.
Abis.
makes more sense.
Coach Tim likes Abis, pero you know, it's one thing to say you like somebody and another thing to actually play them. So
Pero nilalaro niya si Abis, di ba? Nilaro niya si Abis eh.
Oo, no
Not a
Sunday.
lot, man.
Naglaro ni Abis. Not a lot.
not even close to a
On
lot.
Sunday.
Actually.
Pero feel ko mas may trust siya kay Abis more than Steele.
Still, at this point, yeah.
I
Even
mean,
I.
after the Meralco game, yeah. Anyway,
Scroll
go
down to
back.
Meralco.
Yeah.
Baliktad naman, brother. All right. CJ Cancino, bad game. 5 shots is bad.
Foul
and then
trouble.
brother, 5 shots is bad. And the fact that 2 of them were from 4 is even worse.
That's insane work.
Right? Like it's bad enough that you only shot twice. 5 times. But 2 of them being from 4 is blasphemous. Oh wow, blasphemous is kind of.
Sa tingin mo na-grill siya ni Coach Nenad? What the hell is this? Sure, nire-review nila lahat to eh.
Nag-grill ba siya ni Coach
Yeah.
Leonard?
Especially if
The shot
Coach
attempts niya,
Nenad is
2 of
not...
5. 0 for 2 from
Yeah.
4.
I don't know, man. But Meralco, I don't know why they decided to go up against Magnolia. Honestly, kasi
Sino ba yung
Magnolia-
dapat nila mga kalaban if
sit matchup na ba
actually,
yun?
no, I think
Oh.
I think they would have been against Phoenix. But go ahead, Mario. I'm looking for it as you, ano.
But
Kasi
yeah,
may nag-post yan sa group eh.
dude, for Meralco, first things first, your import played terribly, and that's a really bad game from your import. I don't know where the stats went, but I know it was like he
Oh,
shot
sorry.
terribly.
You can
Sorry,
still
sorry.
see this, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
You can see it naman.
yeah. We can see everything, bro. Uh, not a great game. Brickman had a bad game also. So
-20.
Welcome to the
Yeah.
playoffs. Welcome to the playoffs, Jason
I'm
Brickman.
not worried about Brickman, bro. Like he will figure it out for Meralco. Bro. Brickman was where ABL ba yun?
Asia,
ABL.
yeah, yung sa San Miguel. Ba San Miguel team?
Yeah,
Alab, 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 Alab.
Alab.
Yeah. Dude, dun pa lang na taga-Alab siya and he played point guard for that team under forgot who the coach was.
Doesn't he have the
Uh,
NCAA assist record or something? May ganun siya, diba? US NCAA record.
yeah, he'll figure himself out, man. It's just si Jones yung talagang for me needs to be a lot better. Jones needs to be so much better than
1 of 5 pala.
Jones needs to be so much better than what he did yesterday. You can't be 3 for 16, 3 for 17, whatever it was. That's
3 for
bad
15
shooting. That's really bad shooting. And you can't have that against a team with Chapman. Mas lalong kasi Chapman is, pretty really good, man. Pwedeng resident import yan. For
Tanda na niya, man.
for Magnolia. Huh?
Tandaan na niya, bro. Mas matanda pa siya kay Brownlee.
Oh, really? Dang, he old.
Brickman?
He old.
Tandaan na si Chap. Yes,
If
Chapman.
he's older than
Actually,
Brownlee, he old, man.
Yeah.
No offense, JB, but
King Chapman is
Oh, he's
37,
37.
he old. He actually old. Yeah, you're
Eh, si
right.
Nuni
He's
Omot.
that old.
Bata pa ata si Nuni Omot.
Ata pa
Ilan taon na
si
si Nuni?
Lumot, bro.
Bata yan, brother. 24?
30.
37?
Layo na 21. 31.
Is that Nuni Omot? That looks like Winian Gabriel.
Yes.
But-
Bro, that's Nuni Omot.
yeah. Then from afar.
Yeah.
I wasn't zoomed in, man. What do you want me to do? But yeah, man. This is the reality. You need to be a lot better if you're the import of Meralco. Hindi ka pwedeng talunin ni Chapman the whole game. If you let Chapman dominate you, talagang talo kayo sa series na to. Heading in, I think I said Meralco in 2, di ba? I'm still sticking with it.
I forgot what I
Yeah.
said. Oh, I meant
You
Magnolia.
said Magnolia. And
You said Magnolia. You said Magnolia. Graham was also Magnolia.
I'm gonna remain with my pick. I wanna scroll down. By the way, I looked at the scenario. So, kung nanalo yung Meralco against Magnolia, if Ginebra won against TNT, mga kalaban ng Meralco was Phoenix. And then, if nanalo yung TNT against Ginebra, mga kalaban ng Meralco, San Miguel. So, they're probably avoiding San Miguel. I don't know about that. Pero, the thing is, it's my question about CJ Cancino. Always. In the playoffs, those fouls, they have to go away. Again, he had 5 fouls, di ba? He's great in the regular season, always, di ba? Pero like you sabi, in the playoffs,
Parang he was injured
last
last
conference
conference,
against
right?
TNT.
He was injured, right? Was
no,
CJ?
hindi.
CJ?
CJ,
Did he?
no.
Hey, man. Munti ka na nga ni
Hindi,
matalo yung Munti
Oh
ka
yeah,
na-
ito yung parang
Yung
last
TNT.
one was his breakout. Yung mga parang
Yeah.
breakout niya na in the playoff
diba?
performance. Okay. Pero I remember kasi a
Yung
playoff
lagi na sila
conference na
hinahabol.
na-injure siya. So I think I mixed it up considering there's diba?
Brother,
Yeah.
Meralco is one player in a way, and I know the exact player who they're away from. Meralco is one Jerry Abadiano away from being a champion.
Mid-range, God.
Brother, I'm telling you, one guy who is a defensive menace na kayang tumira sa gitna.
Actually, that's Jerry.
Yeah, bro, kasi si Newsom, kaya niya. Pero you need somebody else, right? Brother, I'm telling you, they're one Jerry Abadiano pick away from being a championship team. Same for yung TNT, solido na yun, man.
Solido na TNT, di mo nagagalawin yun.
Actually, who would play well for TNT? Baka Raylan Torres. That's a nice little pickup for TNT.
So parang
Raylan
Glenn
Torres.
Cobuntin yun. Same sila na mold ni
Man,
Glenn Cobuntin yung mga
they
ganun.
just need Rondé Hollis Jefferson. That's all they
Actually.
need.
Do you think if they have Rondé right now, they have a higher position?
Yes.
Of course.
Yes.
Top 2.
I see.
Bro, if Ginebra is doing it with Brownlee, then TNT is doing it with RHJ.
Tapos si Yori na unahan ni Kitevis.
That's
Like
why.
Davis.
I'm telling you, man, tinatagong baraha yan si Sean. Anyway,
Oo
we
nga.
gotta go back to the game, brother. Where are we?
Yeah. Where are we
How
now?
did we get back
No,
to TNT?
Meralco.
Oh, pala, sorry.
Bro, I just believe that if Cancino plays better in the playoffs, they'll beat Magnolia. My problem is I don't trust him in the playoffs. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it from CJ na in big games, you commit those fouls, 'di ba? Na yung mga holding foul, blocking foul. That's really crazy. Aaron Black played really well kahapon. He was eating everyone else but Mark Baroka. He's eating Paul Lee alive, was eating Jerome Lastimosa alive. So that's a good point. Also, JV Mocon had a good game, had a couple of great plays for Meralco. Pero it has to be CJ Cancino. I can care less about Brickman having 5 points. Because there's someone else who will pick up the slack. Aaron Black is there. Ano pa nga si Ancho Karam di lang pinalaro. No? Banquero will pick up the slack if Brickman's not playing well. Pero si Cancino man, walang kapalit si Cancino sa
Wala nga,
sa
wala
Meralco.
talaga.
Wala siya. I mean, Bong Quinto, pero
Di naman,
iba
iba laro
yung
talaga eh. Iba talaga eh.
yeah, iba
Layo.
yung hole na iiwan ni Cancino if he continues to play this like this. So I don't know. I don't know if I want him to have a good game in game two because if he has a good game in game two, then they win. Probably not next conference na lang.
I
But
still think
if he has a
Meralco
good
wins,
game, then
brother.
there's a pretty big chance. Kasi bro, you erase an 18-point lead.
Okay,
Yeah,
kaya nga,
it's
man,
not
like it's
it's
not
a
easy
hard
to
thing to
do
do.
that. And let's be real, if Chapman doesn't make those pretty big plays, you
Big
lose.
shots,
Yeah,
yeah.
right. So that's just how it rolls.
I know. I'm sticking with Magnolia in 2. It's gonna be interesting. But the venue, Nino, is not interesting. So no.
Alam
no
yung
go.
smart? Yung mga possible game 2, right? Right? If ever...
Sabado to pareho.
Wait lang. Ano, may nakita ko isang Smart Araneta Coliseum na ano eh.
No, there's no smart Araneta. Yung Sunday yun, Sunday.
Sunday.
Pag nag-Dorda yung Hinebra in San Miguel.
You think?
Nah, brother, I still think it's going to go in Lex and Meralco.
For
I'm
you?
gonna say
Wow.
this. Ross tomorrow beats San Miguel.
Pwede.
It is. Yeah,
Pwede
is a right thing.
Pwede, pero 1% pwede. 1% pwede. 99% San Miguel. Both right?
No.
Hey,
Siguro
brother,
kung si Paton yan.
brother, take
Pero
whatever pick you
panalo.
want. SMB wins tomorrow, brother. Brother, Ibam, Junmar, both right, man. That's
By the way, one last thing, Biko, before we close.
What?
Man, Junmar na naman yung nasa top sa BPC race along with Bolik.
Talaga?
That's bull.
Hindi
Yeah.
yun, Bull. Kasi stats pa rin lahat eh. Lahat nasa stats
I
eh.
know, pero
it's just, what do you expect? For me kasi, it's so hard for them to, at this point, kung purely stats yung basis mo ng MVP ng BPC, and alam ko may media vote din naman yun. Pero man,
yeah.
ang hirap kasi tanggihin at this point na, brother, if he's gonna win it every time, just give it. You know what I mean?
Right, 'di ba? Man, hindi to be fair, there are conferences na talagang sige, bigay mo kay Junmar. Talagang no doubt, no question.
Oo.
Pero ito, bro, if he wins it, he doesn't deserve it. It has to be RJ or Berto.
Yeah, RJ
Berto or
Alberto.
RJ, ganun.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Grabe naman yun. Junmar, may mga laro na galing siyang sa bench, 'di ba? May
I
mga
mean,
laro
even if he
na
comes off the bench, that doesn't really matter to me. It's more of, I don't know,
What I
man.
mean is,
Without Junmar,
Again-
I still think SMB would be in a good spot. Kasi, with
bro,
both, right?
I'm telling you, if they don't have Junmar but they have Patton or still Marcus Lee, they would have been
Not
better.
Marcus Lee, brother.
No, no,
That's where I
Marcus,
draw the
no.
line, brother. That one was wrong.
Di ba
Not
pananalo
Marcus
sila
Lee.
with Marcus Lee?
They would've
Against Converge.
Yeah, you can win with someone, but it doesn't mean they're fit, diba?
Yeah, brother, that was wrong. I'm telling you that right now.
Alright, Patton though, Patton.
Patton
Patton's
pwede.
better played than
Marcus
Junmar.
Lee, no.
At least Marcus Lee is
Ross
a
tomorrow.
good sport. He's a
Don't
good sport.
disappoint me, rain or shine. I changed my pick. Rain or shine, beat San Miguel tomorrow.
Okay. Anyway, this is the day one recap of the quarterfinals. We're gonna try our best tomorrow, guys. After the games, we'll do a day two recap. Nico here with Mario and Graham. Follow 5 Star Rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. See you all next time.
Adios, amigos. Go Magnolia. Gotcha.
How do I end this?
Dude, I don't know.
Wait.